This week, we're going to start creating nature counting collections. The other day I was walking Zoa and I collected these acorns from the ground. So I'm going to pour them out and we're going to start by sorting them and then we're going to count them. So some of them are just shell, are just the cap. So I'm going to put those to the side. All right, now the rest are pretty much acorns. So let's go ahead and count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I think I'm going to put my group of 10 to the side. And keep counting. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. That's another group of 10. I'll put that to the side. Keep counting. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. That's another group of 10. 31, 32, 33, 34. So I can snap a picture of this so I can go on to Seesaw and get down here where the assignment is. Click Add Response. Click on your name. And then I'm going to take a photo. Once I've taken my photo, I'm going to get a pen, choose a color that I like. I like to get a slightly thicker line. And I'm going to put a circle around each of these. I'm going to write the number 10 on these because each of these is a group of 10. And then there were 4 more here. And I'm going to write the number 34. I can also write the number 4 over here because there's 4 caps over here. And then click the check mark to turn it in. Here's some of my other counting collections. On the beach, I collected this. This is kelp. And on it are these little bulbs that are hollow and have air in them. And some of them are connected to string, to stem. Some of them are loose. Some of them have just a little bit of a leaf on top. Some of them have a longer leaf. So I'm going to go ahead and count these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. That piece has 16. 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. I have another piece. 22, 23, 24, 25. Look at that. 25. See how many are on this piece. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. That's my kelp counting collection. I also collected these. These are from a eucalyptus tree. I'm not sure if they're called acorns. I think they might be eucalyptus acorns, not sure. So some of them were still connected to a stick like this. Some of them are just caps. So I think I'm going to sort them into caps alone and then caps with the acorn still on them. And separate them like that. And then I'm going to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 13 with caps and 9 caps alone. And with these stacks, I could put them into groups of 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's a group of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 there. So 2 groups of 5 and 3 left over. All right, I want you to start your nature counting collection. Play with it, sort it, count it. Have fun and enjoy nature, because that's the best part of it all.